Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study accounting ka inter step by step. Start by creating a realistic weekly timetable and assign subjects to specific days. Break tasks into 45 to 60-minute blocks with 5 to 10-minute breaks. Use active recall and spaced repetition for entries and ledgers. Track progress weekly and adjust time based on mock test results to stay on target. Use practical techniques to build strong accounting skills that stick. Begin each study session with a quick review, then teach the topic out loud as if explaining to someone else. Practice ledger entries, journal adjustments, and reconciliations repeatedly. Time every practice paper to build speed and accuracy, and analyze mistakes to prevent repeats. Maintain a revision schedule that cycles tough topics more often for retention. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort during long study sessions. They stay put through late-night revisions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Revision must be systematic and forgiving yet disciplined. Create a rotating revision calendar so each subject gets regular attention and revise weaker areas more frequently. Keep an error log to record frequent mistakes and revisit those entries until they are error-free. Simulate exam conditions when doing mocks and review answer structure and presentation. Balance speed with accuracy and celebrate small improvements to stay motivated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.